What up everyone? Today we're checking out the circle cutter and the straight edge guide from Dremel. And without further ado, let's get straight to the point. This right here is the housing that the Dremel tool or your rotary tool attached to. And here you have the thumb screw, here you have the drill bit, here you have the straight edge adapter, and here you have the circle cutter adapter. And of course your rotary tool. First, let's take our color off in order to be able to attach our housing. So the keyless chuck goes out first. And to do that, you of course have to press this lock button and unscrew it. And then the color goes out. This goes back inside. And the entire thing goes in the housing. So to be able to put on the drill bit, this has to go on first. The drill bit has to go on first, right? Take that off. And I already did a review on this. If you haven't gotten it, it might be time to consider getting one right now. Oh, there you go. And then that goes over. That's cool. And with this thumb screw right here, you're gonna be able to adjust the cutting height of your bit. See that right there? I hope it's visible. Here it says in inches and here it says in millimeters. All right, so at 0, you're gonna have this much cutting bit. Or maybe there must be something that I'm doing wrong. Because at 0, you shouldn't have this much cutting bit popping out. So let me just unscrew the whole thing and check what I'm doing wrong once again. I believe this has to go all the way in, like so. Oh, tighten it once again, and then goes inside. And now let's see it once again. 0. All right, so I'll reduce it to 10 millimeters and tighten that down. Right. And then, depending on what you want to go with first, I'll go for this circular cutter first. So it goes that way, and then the guide screw. And of course, with the screw, you can also adjust the cutting length. All right then, so let's go see what's up. All right, so we're drilling first hole for the circle cutter pin, and then the second one for the drill bit. Unfortunately, the drill bit couldn't cut through without wanting to start fire. As you can see right there, the sawdust is a little different from the real one. This is the initial one, pretty wide. The one where the drill bit started to struggle is turning brown and almost starting fire. And here you can tell by the tip color as well. Tip color right there is so it's about to start fire. I don't know what the problem is. I think it's because I'm using a knockoff Dremel tool, or maybe the drill bit. I'm just gonna find out when I return this to where I bought it, and then yeah, tell them what Dremel accessory try to use together with it. Maybe it's a compatibility issue here, or maybe it just might be the rotary tool. I don't know. I'll find out. All right, so the circle cutting bit failed woefully. I still think it makes a great video content. Thumbs up if you like such content, and I'll keep you posted.